Hi, I'm down the allotment today, and well, times have changed again, and I've got another new change of career. And of course, the allotment again has been pushed aside, so I'm considering of giving up the whole allotment because it's just a mess. I've come down now to give it a tidy, but it's just so much to do. Just don't know where to start. Let me show you. This is the flower bed. I decided not to take anything on this plot this year, and I was going to give this side up anyhow, and it's just sad. So this is my traditional allotment plot where everything was grown in rows, and we had garlics, onions, we've got some carrots still here, and some onions, some parsnips, which has actually done better than last year. We've still got some onions, we had some Swedes but they've just been eaten, and we got the flowers and then potatoes at the end. And on the back row was our peas, which wasn't a great success this year because of the hot weather we had. I did plant some pumpkins, but the cold weather now has finished them off. We've got one little tiny one there. And I was hoping for some late pumpkins to fill this space, but it never really happened. So I come down to check to see if I had any pumpkins, and I was growing a giant pumpkin, and I don't think it's that giant. Let me show you. Well, that's not any world record pumpkin, and that was a giant Cornish pumpkin, and it's not done anything, nothing at all. Not that I'm jealous on the pumpkin side of things, but hey. So I'm going to harvest what we can from the allotment, and then we need to make a decision, because I've got this marvellous polytunnel and it's been great and I love it. But so as we can see, the polytunnel has still been growing even though we've not been down. The grapes, well, it's a sad sight. We've got lots of peppers and chilies, so I'm going to harvest these and we may be overwinter the chilies. There's a video of how to overwinter peppers and chilies. Have a look at that. Oh, they're good. Tomatoes have been growing in the polytunnel, but many of them now are just wasted. I do like these yellow ones. Can harvest a few of those. So this is my flower bed by the polytunnel, and I just thought I'd make a little start, cheer myself up, and we can already see sweet peas just growing. This is where the sweet peas grew last year, and they grew up to 6-7 foot tall, and they've already self-seeded and growing away. So I'm going to let them carry on. So this is the Harlequin sweet corn, and it was doing okay not had much water, so I'm just going to have a look and see what results we got. There's not much there. There we go, look. We got some. Look at that. So last year we planted these multicoloured carrots, and we've not actually dug any up yet, but look at this. Look at that. A red carrot. We've got here, look, a nice big one here. Oh, this is a big one. Ah, come on. Don't break. Right. Look at that. That's going to be interesting to see what that tastes like. So, we got some multi-purpose, some multicoloured carrots. So I'm just going to pull some normal carrots as it's Sunday, and we can have these for our Sunday lunch. Oh, look at that one. There we go. Oh, might need a fork for these really. Take this one out. I broke that one. There we go, look. So we've got some carrots. We've got a couple of onions. We've got some shallots. So alright. And then we look into the beetroots, and they're looking pretty big. Well, saying that. There we go. Nice looking beetroot. These are sown, multi-sown together. Look at this one. That's a nice beauty. And I do want to try the chocolate and beetroot cake. So we've got some beetroots. So I'm going to harvest some of these chilies. I'm going to leave a long stem on them. Look at that, looking good. Looking good. These are in the polytunnel. I'm also going to take some of the red ones over here. Got a nice pot of chilies. See the rest of the plot, it's pretty messy and it's gone all overgrown. So, wouldn't take much to get it back together again, but it's having that time. So this is what we managed to harvest in the time that we're here, and it is so good. So I've just been down here now for around 2 hours. I've had a bit of a tidy. I've tidied up a couple of beds and I've harvested quite a few things. And once you get down here, you want to do more. Sometimes the motivation is hard and you need a lot more time than you may think starting a new allotment. But the enjoyment is so great, and when you can sit and look at a basket full of food that you've grown, it's so good. It's so good. And it'd be such a shame if I give up this allotment. The people are friendly, everything's friendly, it's such a lovely location. It's so peaceful and quiet. But we'll have to have a think. And anyway, I'm pleased with what we've got so far. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, ring that bell, get notifications when I post some more, and we'll see what happens with our allotment plot. Cheers!